When two people are in a relationship, they need to share a certain level of compatibility that extends beyond the bedroom. Besides getting along as lovers, they need to be friends in order to share each other's joy and sorrow and be in the same wavelength mentally and emotionally. Friends who are close to each other tend to have that kind of emotional and mental connection, which is why the friendship is shared in the first place. Imagine if you could find that kind of compatibility in a lover as well. Here are 5 tips to turn a friend into a lover. Number 1. Change the talk. When people are friends, they tend to talk about everything under the sun, from common interests and each other's love interests. If you want this person to relate to you on a more intimate level as well, you could try flirting verbally. Number 2. Remind them of what they like. If you have a friend who have hinted in the past about what she or he likes in you, certain physical or emotional characteristics that you possess, learn to highlight those features. Just don't go overboard. Remember that when you were friends, how you looked or felt didn't matter because she or he would love you nonetheless. But when it comes to love, you need to present yourself in a way that will make them notice. Number 3. Create the ambience. Instead of going with him or her to a usual hangout like movie or coffee shop, you could change the venue to a more private and romantic setting. Number 4. Change your attitude. If this person is already your friend, they will know how you behave around someone you have more than platonic feelings for. The next time you meet them, start behaving with them the way you would around someone you like. Number 5. Body language. This is one of the most powerful tools to hint to people how you feel. The body language that two friends share is very different. All you have to do is change the way you touch your friend, and if they have half a brain, they'll get the hint. If you don't know how to use your body language or you don't know what I'm talking about, watch this video.